Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to display image using ACF plugin below product title in WooCommerce archive pages like shop and category. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in shop page. Now go to dashboard. Scroll down on left side you see plugin. So click on add new. Then in search plugin, write advanced custom field ACF. So this is plugin we are using. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see ACF. So click on it. So we are going to display image using ACF plugin below product title. Now you see field group. So click on add new. So you can add field group title name according to requirement. So I added name image below product title and scroll down. You see label and then you see general, validation, presentation, conditional logic. So we are going to add image field. Now you see field type, drop down. Now find here image. Now you see content image. Also you see browse field. So click on it. So you can find image from here. And then you see field label. So you can add name according to requirement. Product image. So we added name product image. Now click on it. Now you see field name generated auto, product underscore image, return format, image array, library all. Now scroll down you see location rules, post type is equal to, drop down select, and then you see product. Now select this and then click on save changes. Now setting saved. Go to shop page. So this is our product. Now open it. Then click on edit product. So we are going to display image on WooCommerce archive pages like shop and category only. Now edit product open and scroll down. You see image below product title and then you see product image. So you can select image. Now add image. So you can select image according to requirement and then click on select. Now image edit and then click on update. Now product updated done. Scroll down on left side you see plugin. So click on add new. So now we are going to add custom code. Then in search plugin, write wpcode. So this is plugin wpcode, insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see code snippet, then you see add snippet. So click on it. Then you see add your custom code. So again click on it. Now create custom snippet section open. Scroll down, you can add title here, then you see code preview. On right side you see code type, drop down select PHP snippet. Now we are going to paste code and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. Now in code you see WooCommerce hook position, you see WooCommerce after shop loop item title, and then you see product underscore image. Now go to ACF plugin and now you see name attribute. So now we are going to use this name attribute. Now copy product underscore image back to code. Now paste here. So you can add your name attribute here for image. So by using this code, image only display below product title in WooCommerce archive pages. Now scroll down, you see insert method, auto insert location, run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. Go to shop page. So this is our product. Now refresh the page. Now you see product image show. Go to category page. So this is our category page. Now refresh the page. So this is our product. Now you see image show below product title. By using custom code, we are using ACF plugin. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.